Okay, we've been talking about different types of solutions. Now, there's two relative terms for solution. The first one we're going to look at is diluted. So when something is diluted, we're talking about that it has a small amount of solute. Remember, that's the thing being dissolved in our solvent to create this solution. Oftentimes, we say something is diluted. It might be watered down, so it has a color that's less than whatever it was supposed to be. Like if you're looking at Gatorade and you have the blue Gatorade, you add some water, it has that lighter color to it. We can also say that it relatively has a lower concentration because it has that less solute per given amount of that solution. So that's a diluted one. If we're talking about alternatively, another relative term is concentrated. When we're talking about a concentrated solution, we're looking at something that has a large amount of solute dissolved, the opposite of our diluted. Now, we call these relative terms because we're just talking about looking at it qualitatively, just looking at its qualities, not its quantity for it. Now, we can also go farther into concentrated and talk about molarity. So we can measure it in molarity. But if we're just looking at these two relative terms, diluted and concentrated, we can apply it to something like these dyed waters. So if we take a look at this side, we're going to see this solution is way different than this one on this side. So what side would represent a dilute solution? The left barely there color or the right really dark burgundy color? Perfect. We would see that it is more dilute on this side and it's more concentrated on this side. So this just lets us know the difference between dilute and concentrated solutions.